Although Easyblog.org is in some ways the new kid on the block for classroom blogging, it is in fact the result of years of classroom blogging experience, because all three of the developers are elementary school teachers just like you. So no matter where you are in the classroom blogging journey, you will find Easyblog.org is absolutely unrivaled for both its ease of use and its flexibility.
Great work! I'm sending that to your blog.
I want to give you a quick overview of our new edu-blogging service, Easyblog.org, which will be coming really soon and will certainly be available for the new school year. So this one has been set up with these bloggers already. The first profile you can see there is the teacher's profile, and the other ones are the class members. Now, one of the very cool things about our app is that if you are using your iPads in a one-to-one environment, you can easily remove all the other profiles from this app except for the students who owns that iPad. If you are in a shared iPad environment, you could leave 4 profiles on this iPad and clear the rest. But what's really cool is, what if you're sharing your iPads with another class? No problem. You can simply log out using the log out button down here, and then the teacher next door can log in and her class's profiles will appear. So let's just take a quick run through now. One of the really cool features is a nice little audio help here, which in fact is the voice of my daughter.
Hi, I'm Evie. Tap your picture or name to get started. If you can't see it, tap the arrows or swipe sideways.
Let's say the first student wants to make a post today. So she taps her profile. Here there's a confirmation screen. This is for our students who may not be able to remember a passcode. If you want, you can put a passcode on here as well, which is very simple. It's a color and a number. So yes, this is me. What do you want to do today? Do you want to make a video, photo? Do you want to visit the blogs? Do you want to type something? Okay, let's take a quick photo. In fact, I've already got a photo. So I'm going to choose a photo. There's a photo of a drink my daughter made yesterday morning. I'm happy with that photo. Would I like to talk about my photo or just publish it? This teacher, when they set this blog up, has elected to use subjects. This student wants to put it in her portfolio and in her sciences, and it already has auto-titled the post for her, but if she likes, she could change that now. If she doesn't, she just hits the green button.
Great work! I'm sending that to your blog. Don't close the app until I'm finished.
And that goes straight off to the blog. Once it's gone to the blog, it returns to this page. The student can check it's there by going visiting blogs, and we can see there is the post right there. If she wants to edit the post, she has access to an edit button here, which may include putting it in or removing it from her portfolio. You can see some other posts on here that have already been made. This would be an example of a text post with an image. And these can be viewed either on a browser or directly through the app. She can also filter her search here by clicking on subjects. The typing post option is very much a standard typewriter kind of post here. You can add a photo, you can add a video. So when that post was made, an email notification was sent to the parent, which in this case is also me, and I've made a comment now on that post. So when Maylene next comes through to her post here, she will see on the visit blogs that she has a 1 there showing her she has a comment. So when she taps on that down below, she can see the comments. Now, something we learned from our experience with Easyblog is right up into grade 1, grade 2 on not such a problem, the kids get comments and they can't read them. So what we've done is that we've built in Siri to be able to read these comments for us.
Tap the gray button to listen to your comment. To keep it, tap the green button. To delete it, tap the red.
They can approve those comments themselves, so that's a great little lesson there as well into digital citizenship.
Dad said, "What a great looking fruit drink. How did you stop the juices mixing?" Mom said, "I agree with Dad. Can you make us one to have with our breakfast?"
Now we'll stop here on the app and we'll just have a look on the web browser version what this looks like, because one of the really cool features is that the teacher can make a post easily as well using exactly the same method. So here we are in the browser version and we can see the same students here. So if I'm that parent, I'd be able to log in here using a password if this has been set by the teacher. You can also have this fully open, it's up to you. What's cool is that by clicking on the teacher, your parents will be able to see the posts that you have made. So here's some examples here, and these are real examples that have come out of our grade 2-3 teams. So there we have a nice little image, something they've been doing with a fun day. So as I said, these are all real posts that we've taken off class blogs from our school. And while I'm on that point, all the developers work at a school called the Western Academy of Beijing, and we probably are the world's largest user of blogs in an elementary school setting. In fact, last year we had 37,000 posts by 600 elementary students. We use blogs at our school as a learning management system. We use it from everything from putting up daily schedules right through to e-portfolio. So we've been doing that for many years now. And Easyblog really is a culmination of all the experience that we have gained right in this teaching environment, and the experience that we've also gained with the development of our Easyblogger and Easyblog Junior apps. Quick look at the settings screen, the teacher's settings screen, which is protected by a password because you don't want the kids to be able to change these settings. There are basically 3 ways that you can control the settings. By tapping on the teacher's name, you have access to change the name of the teacher post. You can just tap to change that. That's what will show on the blog itself. If you put moderate posts on before a post is published, you'll get an email about it first. These top ones are all specific to the teacher's account. But from password protect below, these 2 are generic. So in other words, password protect student blogs I currently have set to on. So that means to view a student's blog, you would need to enter a password. If I put this one on, the students will need to put in a password when they access their profile. Now, the second one are the student settings. So individually here, install on this iPad. This is the setting I would use if I want to set up in different configurations, for example, in a one-to-one environment. Left-handed moderate post subjects. Do I want to use subjects for this student? Do I want to be able to choose subjects? I can manually set a parent's email here, but what is very cool is that in the initial setup, you will be given an email to send to your parents. Not your own parents, that would be useless, but your class parents. And in that email is a link that they click, and then they can choose and select from your class who their child is. Now, if they accidentally select the wrong child, you can always change that manually. Underneath that is the edit password, which is the password that is used so this student can access his blog on the app. And the one below that is the password that you will use in order to view his or her blog. You can also select multiple students. For instance, I'm going to select all because I'm in a one-to-one environment. I'm going to turn off my daughter there. I'm going to turn off install on this iPad. I'm going to go update. And now it's now set up in a one-to-one environment just for my daughter. So we're going to add more features as we go along. We already have, I think, something like 64 features lined up that we will continue to develop. We're really interested and excited about getting in touch with some early adopters. So if you would like to be one of those, please send us an email, and don't forget to register and subscribe on Easyblog.org. We will have a free tier with a limited amount of space, and beyond that, our pricing will be significantly cheaper than anyone else. So I'm going to sign off there because my brief overview has already been far too long, but please don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions.